Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to the Life of Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy C. Coming to you live from Liberty Square Mall, home of two very special places for adults and kids, the Sylvan Learning Center. Will help you out with elementary to high school, and then that Excel Center right there, that is one of the greatest schools in the world. Should help you out get your Core 40 high school diploma. But it's also to see guys where we at around. There's Steak and Shake right there. There's El Compadre over there. There's a retail business over there. There's currently a lot of stuff going on here at this main place. This main place is currently located in Bloomington, Indiana. This place, I gotta tell you something. If you guys want a more just breathtaking look, just look at it that way. Because that way would help you out so much. Because honestly, just to show you guys, that over there is PTS Electronics right over there, just so you guys know. So now you guys see where I'm located. Now what I'm going to talk to you guys today is about my day today at the Excel Center. Like what happened, like what we talked about. We started talking about the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was an interesting subject during school. And then after that, I'm currently in the third week. And these classes has just gone by so quick, you guys wouldn't even believe it. What's also to take you guys a look. That right over there, Sylvan Learning Center, right down there. Right there's the Excel Center. And then a lot of bus drivers usually pull, just so you guys know. If you guys ride the bus, they usually come around that way. They usually turn around. Or you can either stop there or you can even go. And then after that, once you get there, they can either help you out, because they also have an YLCC